Good morning, my dear student. How are you to all of you? Today we again continue the topic pair of linear equation in two variable. In previous class, we had discussed the substitution method, but today we describe elimination method. By elimination method, how we can find out the value of x and y. I have taken an example to describe it. Example number 1. X plus y is equal to 5 and twice x minus 3y is equal to 4. How we can apply elimination method? So in this case, we apply only x elimination, otherwise y elimination. If you want to use x elimination, so from equation number 1 you will find out the value of x, otherwise from equation number 2. If you want to find out the value of x in first equation, so you place in second equation, and finally you will get the value of y. So we operate it. So please carefully listen and see it. From equation number 1, x is equal to 5 minus y. Now we place the value of x in equation number 2. So first we write down twice x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now we place the value of x here. So finally we write down it twice inside bracket 5 minus y bracket close minus 3y is equal to 4. Now we open the brackets. So finally we get 10 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 4. So on solving it, we get 10 minus 5y is equal to 4. So minus 5y is equal to 4 minus 10, that is minus 6. So finally y is equal to 6 divided by 5. This is the value of y. In this case, minus we have cut from both sides. So finally the value of y we obtained 6 upon 5. Now again we place the value of this y in equation x is equal to 5 minus y. So on solving it, we get 5 minus 6 upon 5. Now taking LCM, that is 5, and solving it, 5 5 is 25 minus 6. So overall 19 divided by 5x. So this is the way of elimination by which we can find out the value of x as well as y. If you want to eliminate y, in that case we again put the value of y in equation number 2, and in similar manner we will proceed and find out finally x and y. So in both cases answer will be same. So how we can apply elimination method, is it clear? Third one method is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. How we can operate it? So please carefully understand it. Again, to describe it, we take example x plus y is equal to 5 and twice x minus 3y is equal to 4. And these two equations we compare from standard form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So in that case, we get a1 is equal to 1 and a2 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1 and b2 is equal to minus 3. Similarly, c1 is equal to minus 5 and c2 is equal to minus 4. After that, we check the condition for consistency. Since in this case a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, because a1 is 1 and a2 is equal to 2, so 1 by 2 is always not equal to 1 by 3, 1 divided by minus 3. So solution is consistent, and when solution is consistent, in that case we use formula for x and y, which is for x b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In this formula, we place the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2, and finally we get answer of x. So I am placing it. b1 is 1 and c2 is minus 4, so we can write 1 into minus 4 minus b2, that is minus 3, into c1, that is minus 5, divide by a1 b2, a1 b2, 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3, minus a2 b1, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Now solve it. So on solving, this gives minus 4, minus into minus plus, again plus into minus minus. So overall minus 3 5s are 15 we get. All divided by minus 3 minus 2. So on solving it, finally we get minus 19 upon minus 5, that is 19 upon 5, which is same value that we have applied in elimination method, and solve for x is equal to 19 by 5. Similarly, we apply for formula y. Y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. By using this formula, we can find out the value of y. So again we place the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 in this equation. So on placing it, c1 is minus 5 into a2 is 2 minus c2, that is minus 4, into a1, that is 1, whole divided by a1 b2, 1 into minus 3 minus a2 b1, 2 into 1. On solving it, again we get minus 10, minus into minus plus 4, minus 10 plus 4, divided by minus 3 minus 2, which will be equal to minus 6 upon minus 5, that is 6 upon 5. So finally we have to calculate the value of y, that is 6 by 5. So this is the cross multiplication method. By using cross multiplication method, we can find out the value of variable x and y. Any formula, any method we apply, we get finally x and y. In each cases will be same that. So in this way, you can solve the value of x and y of any pair of linear equation. So in next video, we will take some word problem and solve it. Today, this is sufficient for you. So I think you apply it at home and do more and more practice by using it. Thank you so much.